Good morning. I look a little rough because it's currently like 4:40 in the morning and we are cruising into Endicott Arm right now. You can start to see ice floating in the water. And we passed a glacier already on our side of the boat. We are on the starboard side, left side of the ship. If that's right, or port side. Not sure. But it is a very, very cloudy day. We're just cruising along. It's misting towards the mountains, and it's getting cloudier and cloudier. But you can see some of the glaciers. We'll be cruising through Endicott Arm and Dawes Glacier for about 4 hours. We got here at 4:30, and the end should be around 8:30. So yeah, we'll try to get some footage. I have my GoPro and I'm gonna attach it to like the ceiling, or not the ceiling, but the magnetic wall, and see if I can do like a little time lapse. I think that'll be cool. But it looks like you can tell we're getting into glacier water because the color of the water is changing. Yesterday after we left Ketchikan, we were out here with our binoculars and we actually saw some whale tails, which was pretty cool.
Yep. Endicott Arm ahead of us is 30 miles long, very narrow and serpentine with many twists and turns and chock full of icebergs. So we have a good chance to see some wildlife this morning as well. Endicott Arm is home to the brown and black bears, so you want to sweep along the shorelines with your binoculars. If you see a boulder, move on the beach, could be a bear. Also have a chance today to see mountain goats up on the high cliffs, harbor seals hauled out on the pan ice, and maybe some bald eagles in flight or actually perched on the icebergs.
We're the first cruise of this voyage on Discovery Princess to go this deep into the fjords. They just said the ice was clogging up the channels, and after 11 consecutive cruises in Alaska, we're the first to actually go deep to actually see the glacier. That's cool. Ready to see the glacier, Dad?
Oh yeah, I see the glacier.
Oh yeah.
Remind me of a refrigerator that I did in the frost.
We're on the wall, so close to us now off our sunrise side. The beautiful waterfalls we've been seeing. Like you might be reminded of a national park in the mainland United States.
This is so cool. Dawes Glacier. This boat is about to get people and they're gonna go closer to the glacier. It's an actual excursion. So we're in we're in US waters, but the side where the glacier is at is the western border of British Columbia.